My name is Aal. I'm the first child of 4 siblings. I am 17 years old in grade 2 of senior high school. Each like me has not fully searched for identity. Learning, playing, and hanging out with my peers is what I often do. Although for our age, playing, hanging out is more interesting than studying. But it must be realized that we must continue to race against time in achievement, in achieving goal. Especially now that learning feels easier with the existence of information technology. Everything is in our hands. My message is for myself, you, and all of us. Our desire is indeed happy to play, but remember that we are the generation that will replace the current generation. Please choose to be successful or no.